In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move text to the top of the page in Google Docs. If you have text sitting lower on the page than you want, the fix is usually very simple. In most cases, the text has been pushed down by extra blank lines or by a page break. I'll walk you through how to identify what's causing it and how to move that text back up so it sits at the top of the page where it belongs. Start by placing your cursor directly before the text you want to move upward. This is important because Google Docs will remove the space or break that appears immediately before that text. So click right at the beginning of the first word before any letters and make sure your cursor is blinking there. Next, delete any extra blank lines by pressing backspace or delete. If someone pressed enter several times, those empty lines will push your content farther down the page. By removing them one at a time, your text will begin moving upward. Backspace is usually the easiest option when your cursor is placed right before the text, because it deletes the space behind the cursor and pulls the text up. If needed, continue pressing until the text reaches the position you want. As you do this, go slowly and watch the page carefully. You want to remove only the unnecessary blank space, not any actual content. If the text jumps upward after one or two presses, that means the extra spacing was likely caused by empty paragraph lines. If the text is on a new page because of a page break, the process is slightly different, but still very easy. Once again, place your cursor right before the text on that new page. Then press backspace to remove the page break. As soon as the break is removed, the text should move back up to the previous page or to the top portion of the current page, depending on your layout. This is especially helpful if a section of your document was accidentally separated onto another page, which can happen during editing or when content is copied and pasted. And that's it. To move text to the top of the page in Google Docs, place your cursor before the text, remove extra blank lines, and if necessary, delete a page break. It's a quick adjustment, and once you know what to look for, it only takes a few seconds to fix.